Can I fax from an HP printer without a phone line?
Hello, and welcome to our quick guide on how to send a fax from your HP printer, even without a traditional phone line. With advances in technology, faxing without a phone line has become not just possible, but easy. Let's break it down.
What do you need to fax without a phone line?
Traditional faxing requires a phone line, but the good news is that you can still fax without one. You'll need 1. An HP printer with faxing capabilities. 2. A stable internet connection. 3. An online fax service. These online fax services can connect to your HP printer and allow you to send and receive faxes digitally.
How do online fax services work?
Online fax services act as a middleman between your printer and the recipient's fax machine. You send a fax digitally to the online fax service, which then sends it to the recipient's fax number. For receiving faxes, the process is reversed. To use these services, you'll have to subscribe to one that suits your needs. Some popular services include RingCentral, Fax, Plus, and HelloFax.
How to send a fax with an online fax service?
Follow the steps below. 1. Register for an online fax service and set up your account. 2. On your HP printer, scan the document you want to fax. 3. Save the scanned document on your computer. 4. Open your online fax service and attach the scanned document. 5. Enter the recipient's fax number in the designated field. 6. Hit the send or fax button. You've just sent a fax without using a traditional phone line. And that's it. Faxing without a phone line using your HP printer is as simple as that. You can now send faxes digitally, saving time and eliminating the need for a dedicated phone line. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now comfortable with faxing without a phone line. Enjoy faxing the modern way.